the Aula F87 Pro 3-in-1 hot swappable RGB mechanical keyboard. So if you are hunting for a premium keyboard without breaking your wallet, this might just be the one. So let's dive right in. The Aula F87 rocks a compact 87 key layout, meaning you get all the essentials without losing desk space. Means more mouse space without losing essential keys. The black and grey key combo looks premium and giving that professional aggressive gaming vibe. And is solid too, weighing around 916 grams probably without cable, and with cable maybe a few grams more. It feels durable, stable, and ready for those intense gaming sessions. And yes, it's hot swappable. That means you can change your mechanical switches easily, customize your feel anytime you want. This one rocking Greywood Switch V3, smooth, lightning fast, perfect for gaming and fast typing. And every key press just feels crisp and responsive. It includes FN key multifunctions so you can control lightning, volume, and media shortcuts without leaving your game. Now let's talk about RGB, and trust me, this thing doesn't disappoint. The Aula F87 brings you customizable RGB lighting with dynamic patterns and effects. When it comes to connectivity, this is a true 3-in-1 keyboard. So you get Type-C wired and 2.4 GHz wireless and a Bluetooth mouse. So whether you are Windows or Mac, this is an ultimate flexibility for gamers and creators. And comes to battery life, it's super solid. You got 22 hours with RGB on and probably 48 hours with light off. It charges via Type-C, and yeah, make sure to follow the user manual the first time you charge it to get the best battery health. It comes with a year of warranty for any manufacturing defects, total peace of mind. So yeah, the Aula F87 Pro delivers a top tier build quality, smooth switches, RGB magic, triple mode connectivity, and a long battery life, all at a killer price. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel. I'm signing off, keep gaming.